Hello everyone, welcome back. So today let us look into Oracle Visual Builder. Why we use Oracle Visual Builder? Let's say we do not have any integration tool, means Mule or Delbumi, OIC. So we have a lot of integration tools in the market. Let's say we do not have any of them. And even if you have an integration tool, let's say you want to update 100 or 200 sales orders, or you want to create them. Integration is not already exist, but you wanted to do that update now. So in that case, we can quickly go through this one. I mean, we can use this Oracle Visual Builder and then we can trigger it so that it will create or update purchase orders as sales orders. We have a lot of features, we need to look into that. But in this video, I'll be showing you sales orders. Okay. So here, so when you want to update or create bulk number of work orders, we can go with this option. So what it will do is it will use the REST API and then create or update the work orders. So let us quickly look into this. So let's say you do not have this Oracle Visual Builder in your Excel sheet. For the first time, if you never used, then you obviously don't see this one Oracle Visual Builder option. So when you don't see that, you need to go into Google and search Oracle Visual Builder for Excel, and then go with this link, first link. I'll provide this link in the video description, no issues. And here, if you come down, install Visual Builder add-in for Excel, you can just click on install. And you can read all of these, and here you can download these installers from Oracle Downloads. So click on this downloads, and from here you can download the extension. So you need to accept it, and then you need to click on download. So it will be downloaded automatically. We don't need to do anything. So now we need to install this. Okay, so once you install this, it will not ask for any more details. Just we need to this is one option that we need to make sure that is this for the current user or all users. This option we need to select based on the your decision. Then others all are next. Okay, so once you are done, if you close and open Excel, if it is already open, or you can just take the new sheet, then you can see this Oracle Visual Builder option in your sheet. So let's say now we are able to see. The other case, let's say you have an Oracle Visual Builder from many days and you want to update it. So in that case, you can go to About and you can see the version. And if you want to download the latest version, again you can click on this and it will take us to same page. Just we need to download the latest version from the Oracle. Okay, so now we are clear with the installation and also with the update to the latest version of Oracle Visual Builder. So now let us just configure work orders. I just want to create work orders or update work orders. So in that case, let me just show you this. So this is the REST API for create work orders. Okay. So this is the documentation from Oracle. I'll also add this documentation URL in the video description. But this is a REST API. So now what we need to do is we need to provide our host details here. Let's say http yes /host.com. So like this, we need to provide our host details and then add this REST API. And also one more thing is, let me just go back. So at the end, this is the REST API. So at the end, we need to provide describe. So this is the URL that we need to use. Okay, for that, let us just prepare the URL. So we are ready with the URL and then go to Oracle Visual Builders, click on the designer, top left. And then here we need to provide that REST API URL. So let me provide one. See here, I have given host name and then till here it is a REST API and I have added describe. So this is main. Do not forget to add this describe. And then select basic authentication or whatever authentication process that you are following and then next. So here we need to provide credentials. Let me just so I have provided username and credentials, password, and just clicked on sign in. So it is loading the details. And you can see it is done. Just click on next and then select this work orders and then next, finish. So it automatically, shows the layout designer. So once it is loaded, you can see all the work order related fields, change status, organization name, create method, item description and all. So right side, if you see, we can see all columns. What you are seeing here, these all columns you can see here. And if you want to rearrange them, you can do that. Simply, we need to click on this and we can move back. We can do all these arrangements. Let's say, in these all are not required, right? Only few columns are required and you want to use this sheet repeatedly. In that case, what all fields that we always provide the values, we can, arrange all of them in the top, means you can directly see here and then you can every time you can just simply provide the values and then upload. So like that we can use, you can just arrange the columns here and let's say if you come right, you can see some fields are required. You can see them in the red mark. See this one, item type, type and item. So these two are required from the sheet, but I don't pass this. So in that case, you can go to type. See here, and you want to make it to not required, you can do that required for create. And check that field. Yep. So now it is gone. And if you want to make some fields required, then you can do that also. Okay, so now we are ready with the sheet. So let us provide values and then create one work order. I have entered all the required values that I want to pass. So this is auto generated. When you give the values, it is auto generated based on the details, whether it is already exist, then it will come populate like update, and if that is not already exist, then it is create. So if you come right, so you can see what all values that I have provided. These all are we no need to provide. So let's say I want to use this sheet for future purpose, then I can also delete them, or you can just move all your required fields, for the fields that you are passing the value, you can move all of them to the left, complete left, and you can simply enter the values and then use it. Okay, so here we need to provide organization code for sure, because that is required. So for now, I'm just skipping it. We'll see, it will definitely throw us an error just to see that, and we can provide the value and then we can again try it. So I'm providing item number, and then work order status code. 4 are released. Quantity I'm giving 10, and then start date. And finally, explosion flag. I did set as true. Okay, so now let me just click on upload changes. It will definitely give error because we are not providing organization code. We'll see organization code, it is expecting organization code. So let me provide organization code and then retry. So here let me pass organization code. This is my organization code. So now let us try upload changes. What is it saying? Item number is not valid. So let me just provide valid item number. Give me a second. That is not 4, it is 5. Okay. So now let us try. See, it is created successfully. And we have received work order number back. These all fields will be auto-populated. Once it is created, it will get the details and populate the values back into the sheet. So this is the beauty of this Oracle Visual Builder. I mean, when we do not have this Oracle Visual Builder, we need to, go with a postman. Let's say we have 50 or 100, we can manage with a postman. I mean, direct REST API, we can just add these details and then we can trigger it. But when we have hundreds or thousands, then in that case, we cannot manage it using, and that is, manual work, and we cannot handle that. A lot of human errors can also happen. So with this, it is very easy. And when we do not have Oracle Visual Builder, then we need to go with some scripts. Thank you guys. We'll meet in the next video, and good luck.